so have a great day ahead. So today we will discuss the divisibility rules to find the common factors. This is for the learners, for the parents to assist their children, their kids in accomplishing their modules. So this is an additional information for our grade schoolers. So divisibility rules to find the common factors 4, 2, 5, and 10. Alright, so keep on watching, so we will learn the divisibility rules. But first, we will tackle about the divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. Alright? So this is the activity that we're going to do to answer. We are going to put a check under the correct column applying the rules for divisibility. Divisibility for 2, 5, and 10 for the 4 given number, which are the 6,344, 7,925, 8,970, 9,560. So before we will proceed, may we go immediately on how to find the divisibility of the given numbers. Okay, divisibility on 2, 5, and 10. Alright, so may we go now on the divisibility rules. The divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. The divisibility rule for 2, all even numbers are divisible by 2. What are the even numbers? There are the 2, 4, 6, 8, including 0 as the ending number. How about the divisibility rule for 5? Numbers ending in 0 and 5 are divisible by 5. And the divisibility rule for 10. Numbers ending in 0 are divisible for 10. So, may we now go back to the given activity earlier. So, we always keep in mind these rules for 2, 5, and 10 as we go to the activity given, right? So, the activity given is to put a check under the correct column applying the rules for divisibility. For 2, do you think is it divisible for 2? The 6,344, do you think is it divisible? Yes, because the ending digit 4 is divisible by it is an even number. So therefore, we will put a check. Okay, how about it to 5? 6,344, is it divisible by 5? No, because the number that is divisible by 5, it should end on 5 and 10, so it is not. How about 7,925? Is it divisible by 2? No, because 5 is not an even number. So, since 5 is the ending number of the number, So it is divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 10? No, because 5 is not a 0. Next, 8,970, is it divisible by 2? Yes, because the ending number of that number is even number, which is 0. So therefore, it is divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, because numbers that are divisible by 5 should end to 5 and 0. So it ends to 0. Therefore, 8,970 is divisible by 5. And automatically, since it ends into number 0, it is divisible by 10. How about 9,560? Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because the ending number 0 is an even number. How about 5? Is it divisible by 5? Yes, it is divisible by 5 because numbers that are divisible by 5 ends to 5 and 0. And therefore, that is divisible by 5. And is it divisible by 10? Yes, it is divisible by 10 because the ending number of that number is 0. So therefore, it is divisible by 10. Do you know, guys, all numbers that are divisible to 10, all numbers that are divisible to 10 is also divisible by 5. Alright? So may we go back to the rules for divisibility. Alright? For the divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. So I repeat, the divisibility rules for 2, all even numbers are divisible by 2. Those numbers ends with the digit of 2, 4, 6, 8, including 0. And divisibility rule for 5, numbers ending in 0 and 5 are divisible by 5. Divisibility rule for 10, numbers ending in 0 are divisible by 10. All numbers that are divisible to 10 is automatically divisible also for 5. But not all numbers that are divisible by 5 is not divisible by 10. Okay? So, to give you more activities for follow-up, would you try to answer the following? Okay? So, will you try to do that? So, here we go now to the next video. Okay? Here we go now to the next video. I will leave that activity for you guys. Okay? Thanks for watching.